Protect your sink and countertop with the 2024 upgraded Faucet mat for kitchen sink, a premium silicone splash guard designed to keep your area clean and dry. This versatile mat acts as a protective tray, ideal for stone sinks in both kitchens and bathrooms, preventing water damage, stains, and scratches. Made from high-quality, fast-drying silicone, it ensures hygiene and durability while adding a modern, sleek touch to your sink area. Simple to place and easy to clean, it's perfect for everyday use. Link in the description below.